Hello student, in last lecture we discussed computer forensics or digital forensics. These both terms are used what we can alternatively. So what is computer forensics? So computer forensics, it is a term which is to be useful to describe or to produce the digital evidences, and which is that which are derived from cyberspaces or digital sources, and which is to be useful for to display, or what we can say that which is to be what we can say that which is to be proven in front of the court, and useful to find out the criminal, useful for to find out the unauthorized user. So what is need of computer forensics? So the need of forensic, which is to be to produce evidences in the court that can lead to a punishment of the actual, to ensure the integrity of the computer system, to focus on the responses to high tech offenses which is to be started intervene. The widespread of computer forensics is the result of two factors, that are the increasing dependence of law enforcement on digital evidences, and the ubiquity of computers that follow from the mini computer to the microcomputer to supercomputers. Now, history of computer forensics, which is to be begun to evolve more than 30 years ago in the US, when law enforcement and military investigators started seeing criminals get technical. So, over the next decades and up to date, the field has exploded. Law enforcement and the military continue to have a field large presence in the information security and computer forensic field and the local, state and the federal level. Nowadays, software companies continue to produce a newer and more robust forensic software programs, and law enforcement and the military continue to identify and train more of their personnel in the response to crime involving technology. Okay, so the history of computing or cyber forensics say that key there are the hackers or unauthorized users are using the uh, information communication tool to perform the activity. So that's why the term which is to be evolved for the performing or to prove the evidences in front of the court. Now, next thing is that goal of computer forensics. The goal of computer forensics are the main goal of computer forensic expert is not only to find out the criminal but also find out the evidence and the presentation of the evidence in a manner that lead to the legal action of the criminal. So it doesn't mean that uh, computer forensic means that whatever the proofs or evidences which are to be collected and that are useful to find out the criminal, but that leads to legal action of the criminal. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the computer forensics and goal of computer forensics. Also we discussed the role of history of the computer forensics. In next lecture we will discussing the concept of cybercrime and evidences. Thank you.